Hi everyone, I've got a BMW X4 here on a 2017 18 plate. Just doing the brake pads on this. To show you, I've pretty much done the other side. I'm only doing this side. These are the brake pads. Now if you ever did need a part number for the brakes as well, that's the part number right there, pad 1830. Now to do it, I'm just going to show you the location of the brake sensor. Now that's the sensor which goes onto the brake pads, which tells you the warning light for your which tells you the mileage left for the brakes. You need to remove, there's a screw at the back there, there's a screw there, there's a screw there at the top, and that one there as well. So what you do, undo those screws, gently pull this back, and then pull this back as well. You don't need to take it out all the way because it's a bit of a headache. Now can you see the box there? So if you undo the box, so there's a clip on the top. So if you undo the box on the top, so it's the bottom cable, which is this one here. Undo this. That's the sensor. So you unplug the sensor by pushing the clip in. That's it. She's out all the way. So once you've taken the sensor out, put the new brake pads in, put the new sensor in, follow the route. As you go in, the way you take it out, that's the way it needs to go back in. I'm going to be doing a brake reset as well on this, which will be added into this video. Do watch out for it. Thank you very much. Right, this is the part number for the brake wear indicator, if you ever needed one for this car. Right, okay, now we're going to reset the brake warning indicator, which tells you how many miles is left for a reset. This is the way to do it. Do not press any brake pedals or anything. Start stop button, switch the ignition on, press and hold button A, which I'll show you what it is in a minute. As you can see, scroll down, that is the procedure. Whatever you want to reset, service light, brake light, anything, inspection. Now that's A and that's B. Just remember those two when you're doing it. Now to do it, it's quite simple. You switch the ignition on. Don't press the brake pedal or anything. Switch the ignition on. Press and hold this button for 10 seconds. Right, nothing's happening. What you do, push a couple of times, 1, 2, and hold it again. Right, that's it. Now, we need to reset the brakes only. So if I hold the button, release the button, hold it again. It says perform reset, release, hold it again. Reset in progress. Now, reset in progress would only work when you replace the sensor. If you don't replace the sensor, then it would not really work. So you got to make sure you replace the sensor. Now, engine oil still good. Brake fluid still good. Press the same button. Vehicle check still good. Press the same. Rear brake pad still good. So if you go back, switch the ignition off. Start the car up. Now you'd see, to check it, you can go to my vehicle, go on to vehicle status. Now we need to reset the tire pressure here because we've done 2 new tires on the front as well. Just going to do that quickly. Now to check what tires are on the car as well, you can check down the side door pillar. Now we need to do service requirement. Engine oil good, brake fluid good, vehicle check good, rear brake pads good, service inspection good. And from brake pads good as well. That's it. That's all you got to do on your car. Any more information, please do let us know and we'll try helping you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.